Hey, hello, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a little tutorial that this is actually email marketing for beginner. If you are a person who are just getting started, right, and maybe you hear it from somewhere like the money is in the list, but you are totally clueless of how to get started, or you are in the middle, in between, and you really want to explode your income because of email marketing, this video is for you. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this video is going to be email marketing for beginners, how to go from $0 to $10,000 per month, even way more, depending on how hard you are going to be implementing this. Before I get started, I'm gonna be doing a comparison because a lot of people are asking me, like, what's the difference between email marketing and social media? Why we should keep doing email marketing if email marketing is dead? Let me tell you something. Yes, right now you might be watching this video on my YouTube channel, but I don't own YouTube. Okay, if they decide to shut down my YouTube channel for whatever reason, okay, and you are one of my subscribers, there is no other way in which I can be in touch with you. There are tons of YouTube channels out there, okay, and way more that people are, building them while you're watching this video, right? So there is gonna be no way in which you can find my YouTube channel. But if you are on my email list, right, I can email you and I can explain you what happened, and I can let you know, like, hey, this is my newest channel. Please go ahead and subscribe again. Okay, the same with Facebook. You might have the best Facebook group out there. Or let me tell you what happened to the pages. If you remember, at the beginning, the pages, they used to have a great reach, organic reach, right? But nowadays, if you want to be visible, you need to pay, right? Okay. The same, it's happening with other social networks, okay? So you need to understand that you do not own them, but you always own your email list. If for whatever reason your email provider says, like, hey, we don't like the business you're doing right now, you can always grab a copy of your list, move it to another email provider, and keep emailing people. The way people are seeing things right now is like, okay, if I go to social media, right, if someone reach me, maybe it's going to be a chat, but that's not really important because I'm there to have a spare time to check out what my family and friends are doing. But it isn't on my email. This means that it is important, okay? So that's the mindset, and this is something that you need to understand. So pay close attention and check out what people who are really making money online are doing right now. Yeah, they're putting ads on social media, but they are always capturing people's emails. You need to model what these people are doing, okay? And that's the reason why the money is in the list. Now you need to choose an email provider, also known as an autoresponder. This is actually the same thing. The only one that I'm not going to suggest you, it's actually MailChimp, because I do affiliate marketing and they don't like affiliate marketing. Okay. At the beginning they do, now they change their terms and conditions, and actually my account that I was doing at the time was shut it down. The one that I suggest you, the one that I consider the most reliable right now is Aweber. So I'm going to leave a link below. So you're going to have a 30-day free trial. Okay, you're going to have all the features that you actually need if you really want, to be serious about email marketing. They have a great support. It's actually via chat. They have a great knowledge base. So it's really easy, really simple to use. And if you have some questions, they are always there 24/7. So after you choose your email list provider, right, your autoresponder, you are going to need to create a list. Okay, this is where people, right, when they decide to subscribe, when people decide to subscribe to your list, they're going to land in here. Okay, yes, you can have multiple lists depending, maybe you're doing several niches, right? You can use segmentation, that's a little bit more advanced. Let's say that this is going to be your main list. Okay, you are going to name it the way you want it, but make sure that it is something that you understand, because if you're going to be creating other lists, you need to know, like, hey, maybe these people are on this niche or in this industry, or maybe they bought this product, so we know that they are interested in related products. Okay, your list name is just going to be for your internal use. Okay, you're gonna need to have a capture page. Okay, you're gonna need to have a way in which you are gonna capture your leads. You're gonna give them something valuable for free. It can be an ebook, it can be a PDF, it can be a cheat sheet, it can be a mini course, it can be a series of videos, it can be just one video. Okay, but it's gonna be something valuable and it's gonna be for free. This is gonna be the very first transaction. Okay, they're not gonna be paying you anything, but they're gonna pay you with your email to get the information that you promised. You're gonna need to have a funnel. Okay, a simple funnel is just gonna have the capture page and the thank you page in which you're gonna deliver what you promised. A funnel builder that I'm using right now, it's called Builderall. I'm gonna leave a link below so you can have the 7-day free trial. You don't need to have any kind of design skills. You don't need to be a programmer in order to use Builderall. It's easy, it's drag and drop, and they do have tons of pre-made funnels that they're really good looking, and they're on different industries. So this is the one that I'm currently using. So this is the one that I suggest. So I'm gonna leave a link below. It's 7-day free trial. You don't even need to type in your credit card. Okay, you also need to have a follow-up sequence. Okay, the follow-up sequence is automate. Okay, the follow-up sequence start with a welcome message in which you are gonna welcome people to your list, in which you're gonna also deliver what you promised, which is gonna be the free valuable thing, the freebie that we mentioned before. Okay, this is how you're gonna deliver it. The follow-up sequence is gonna be working for you 24/7. So it doesn't matter if you're in the US right now and your customer or lead is in UK, they're gonna deliver the information right away. So you don't have to be worrying and check it out like, hey, someone just subscribed to my list, I need to send them this information right now. No, it's gonna be automate. So that's why it's gonna be doing the follow-up for you. Your follow-up sequence, it's the one that is gonna be guiding these leads to the sale. Okay, because first you're gonna give them something for free. You can give them valuable information, and maybe 80% of the email is gonna be valuable information, 20% is gonna be a pitch for a sale, and then the last 2 emails is gonna be 100% to make a sale. Okay, this is how these actual gurus are making money while they sleep. This is actually the secret. It's because they do have a follow-up sequence. It can be between 7 to 10 emails, but remember that you need to send them valuable information and do the pitch. Okay, don't be scared to do the pitch. You might be impressed with your results. So remember, this is the very first thing. After you create a list, you need to have your follow-up sequence. There are other types of emails which are called broadcast emails. Okay, these broadcast emails are going to be emails that you're going to program to be sent on a specific day and time. Okay, let's say that you're writing an email and you want it to be delivered next Thursday at 7 p.m. because maybe you're doing a flash sale, there's something special, right? Okay, so this is something that you're going to be doing, or you're going to be emailing them once in a while. This is not something that you're going to be sending them like automate, okay? And you might send this to your entire list. It can be something like, as I told you, like an update. Maybe you are blogging and you want to send them like, hey, these are my weekly posts, check them out. Okay, it can be a flash sale, it can be a special offer. Okay, so this is something that you don't want them to get automatically because it's something special. Let me tell you something really important, and this is the way it is. If you are not doing email marketing right now, you're losing money. Okay, as I told you before, people's mindset right now is that, hey, if this information is on my email, it's because it's important. Okay, if they are driving me things to social media, it's not important. And if you're doing affiliate marketing, or maybe you're selling your product right away and you're driving traffic to your offer, let me tell you that you're lucky if you're making money online right now, because whenever we are using the internet, right now you have so many possibilities. People can be at the supermarket checking out their, their cell phones. Yes, they do have internet access, but the mindset is not to buy a product, your product right away, especially if it is a little bit pricey. Okay. If we are, working a regular 9 to 5, and maybe we took a break and the person check on your offer, he or she might be interested in what you are offering right now, but they are not ready to make the purchase. They're currently working. Maybe they don't have the money. Maybe they don't have the time. Maybe they did not understand it 100%. Maybe they were interested, but something happened and they got interrupted and they never get back to your offer. But if you capture people's emails, you can always reach them, okay? And not only sell them one product, but sell them as many products as you want. This is how an online business is actually made, okay? So again, you're gonna give them something for free, which is called the lead magnet. Give them something valuable for free. Again, it can be an ebook, it can be a video, mini course, it can be a series of videos, it can be a cheat sheet. Okay, so something valuable for free, and you're gonna need to build a landing page. Whenever you build a landing page, please keep it simple. Okay, I know there are gonna be tons of templates, but keep it simple, especially because someone might be checking it on a mobile. Okay, so they don't have, a lot of space to check what you have to offer, and people don't actually like to scroll. You're gonna be capturing people's emails, which is actually a capture page, and you're gonna have a thank you page. Okay, remember that after they type in the email, they're gonna land directly on your list. This is something that is gonna happen automatically, and they're gonna be, getting all your follow-up sequence. Okay, the very first email is for you to deliver the freebie, and this is something a little bit more advanced if you want to make an offer right away, because they pay you with your email address. You know that they're interested on certain niche or topic. You can create a bridge page, okay, in which you are gonna be offering them something extra, but this is gonna be a product, what we call a low ticket product, something that is less than $37, so they can purchase it right away. Okay, let me show you an example of a funnel. As you can see here, you're gonna have your traffic source. Here you're gonna have your opt-in page, in which people are gonna type in their name or email. Here you're gonna have a thank you page, in which you can deliver the freebie, and also you can offer them something else. And here is the product order page. Okay, so this is actually how you make money online. It's gonna take time to build an email list. Yes, I know. And by the way, if you really want to know how to build an email list super fast by leverage other people's effort, I'm gonna leave a link below. So this is something that you would like to check it out. So that means that You are going to be building your list, but other people are going to be building your list for you for free as well. So if you want to learn how to do that, I'm going to leave the link below. Okay, it's going to be the very first link in the description. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to help me. It's going to help my video. It's going to help my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.